It's unbelievable how overlooked it is. It's incredible.
So the big question is, what are the top agents doing to absolutely crush it in real estate, grow their teams, and add more transactions year over year while so many struggle? If you ever thought about this, you're not alone. No one has been able to get the answers until now.
We spent the last few years helping agents sell billions in real estate, rubbing shoulders with top producers, which got us thinking, how can we expose more people to these insights to help raise the standard in the whole real estate industry? We then realized that we could help bridge the gap by getting the secrets from the best of the best so that you can succeed. My name is Andrew Dunn.
And my name is Peter Michael. Welcome to Elite Agent Secrets.
And so if you're there at the beginning and you positioned yourself as the expert, and as it grew, no one's going to know. You get the bus bench every time a bus opens up. Oh my God, it's over. It's
Mark, it's interesting that you bring this up because I literally randomly called a developer because I'm looking for a house myself. My wife totally found this by accident. Go on his website, have a great chat with him. We exchange information, but he has like 8 different communities, but he's the one who's answering the phone on his website. And now we have a meeting set up for next week just to chat about, potentially just seeing how I can help him grow the business. Not even from bringing the, buyers and sellers, but from like marketing or, like little nuances that he needs. So it opens up opportunities and doors where he's got friends. If he's a builder, developer, he's got other friends that are builders and developers, right? So it's just a one more leverage point. You do a good job for one person.
Yeah. How many calls did you make before you ran into them?
1 or 2.
Can you imagine?
There was the second phone call that I made. And that was the second phone call that I made, but the first phone call to him that I got him on the line. And now we text back and forth.
That's unbelievable. That in a,
I'm sure that's not the norm, but that's how easy it is.
No, I think it's probably the norm. Like honestly,
really?
here's the thing with me and Brad and why we make a great partnership. There's a lot of reasons for it. But one of the things is like, we want to go off the beaten path and we want to create and blaze our own trail. And we're not afraid to try new things. And we're an encyclopedia of how not to fucking do things. Like we've wasted so much money, and Brad's probably blown, I bet you $1 million on stuff that didn't work. But then he's made millions on shit that does work, right? And so he was willing to take that chance. If you're not, the information's free. You don't have to read Gary Keller's book, The Millionaire Agent, and it's not about becoming a millionaire. They only put that title in there just to sell the book. But the first few chapters, say it all. Stop trying to create your own business. Just follow somebody, mentor, find a mentor, and get coached and collaborate with people and figure it out faster. Otherwise, you're going to be 92% of the agents out there. So, Peter calls 2 developers, and Peter, how many? You're a little bit newer. And have you ever sold a new home before?
I have not.
No, but he's called totally 2 green. Developers, and he's already potentially got business. It's unbelievable how overlooked it is. It's incredible because everybody. So I had a bunch of newbies on a meet this morning on a team meet, and one of them said, don't they already all have realtors? I'm laughing because I'm like, this is what everybody thinks. Like there's this absolutely untapped potential resource out there. I got on the horn with somebody from our pre-construction meet last week, a webinar, and he's this older gent, 75, and realtor, and he's telling me how many millions he's made with developers over the years, and he was he came from Canada, moved. He's actually from the UK originally, moved to Toronto for a few years, and then he moved to Florida. And when he got there, he didn't know anybody, so he started going after developers, and he made millions. Sold thousands of houses, and they would fly people in from Canada and from other parts of the States. And anyways, it's like, that was in the 80s and whatever, because he's a little bit older now. But incredible that people are missing this massive resource. So that's a great story, Peter.
It's worth saying to everyone listening, just because he said it's in the 80s, don't go away now and go, he did it in the 80s. It's now possible in 2021. Like, everything we say is always possible. Like, this is what we're doing. We want to bring strategies, tactics, things that are happening that still work today, which is...
Can you imagine that we sit in our office now? I don't show properties. I don't, somebody said, hey, can you go take a video of the building? I was like, no, sorry, man. Because I have 15 more people that want that unit. And for me to drive 45 minutes, go take a film of the building when there's stuff online for it, and walk them through the apartment. I'm like, no, I'm sorry, I can't. And did he buy it? Absolutely, he bought it 100%. We sit in our office, and I'm watching a Google sheet as orders are coming in on, it's incredible. And we didn't know that we were going to be there, but it all started from just working developers and working builders, asking questions and going out and meeting with them just get out there and find out what's out there. You'll figure it out. Trust me, you'll figure it out fast. And if you screw it up, who cares? There's another 100 developers. So just it's a learning experience. You're not going to be successful like that. I hope you can be, but you're going to fail before you succeed. And part of that failure is just the learning experience. So to get better at it.
Absolutely. Yeah. I mean, this has been amazing, Mark. I think we're gonna have to get you back on to discuss how things have transpired since, and this has continued to grow into the multi-billions. And you and Brad are doing some pretty insane stuff. So just to wrap up here, if anyone wants to learn a little bit more about Precon, get in touch with you, how can they reach out to you?
Sure. My number is 403-617-9998. That's my cell number. And I'm sure if you get in touch with Andrew, he can send you out my email address if you like. And
you can give it to them if you want to. It's absolutely fine. I mean, listen, the idea here is everyone gets, as much as you're willing to give, to get as much help as they can, so they can go out and be hyper successful in the world of real estate, But I mean, you've given your phone number out. That's probably better than any email. Let's be honest.
Yeah, for sure. Text is best for me.
Text, Mark. All right. Perfect. Mark, thank you so much for coming on with us today. It's been an absolute pleasure.
You bet. I hope I didn't talk your ear off.
Hey, thanks for listening to this episode. Now, before you go, we're giving access to a private training we did where we revealed the top 3 niches to get listings today completely for free. So if you want access, you can go and download that training at eliteagentsecrets.com. We're regularly releasing new trainings, guides, and cheat sheets, so make sure to head over to eliteagentsecrets.com and sign up so you don't miss out.